Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. Today we are going for a hiking on a camel trail. So let's go. Friends, we are finally at the hiking location now. You can see behind me what an amazing view it is. So we will go down for a hiking. Friends, today is a group hiking. As you can see, a lot of people behind me. So let's go for the hiking now. This Camel Trail is the only trail which is constructed by the government, where it is a proper hiking trail. If another part of Riyadh where we go for hiking, there is not a proper trail. As I said, this trail is been created, so you can see the trail. People are following that trail and going down. But as always, we are not going to follow that trail. We will go little harder one. Finally, we are down from the top, so we will have some walk for a while, then we'll try to climb up. This is the view from the down of the mountain. So we have been walking for half an kilometer now, and after some time we'll go here on the top. Friends, you can see this side. We are going to climb on that top one now. So let's go. Go ahead. That area down that side, so it's very relaxing once you're on the top. Still lot more to go. See how depth it is. See how dangerous this place is. Still people are climbing. It's just a mind game. Aram se. It's very dangerous, you know. While going down is very dangerous, but we will not give up. So guys, we are going down. You need to mind your foots. You have to be very slow, very careful. Always. Friends, we came from that top, from the other side of that mountain, and we came from there, and we are here now, and again we are going to climb on that one. Oh, we need to be fast before the sunset. If not, we can't record much, and I don't want that one. So literally I'm running now. We are going to climb on the top now, so let's go. Another advice, again the same advice. For hiking in the mountains, never come alone. Friends, we are finally getting ready to climb on this one now. So, let's go. Friends, you can see people are coming still behind us. Photo. Always on the top. We came from down there. We are in the middle and we'll go on the top. हिंदी में कहावत है, जोश में होश नहीं खोना है, तो चढ़ते वक्त होश नहीं खोना है, सावधान रहना है. We have completed 60%, 40%. The tough one still is left. So be with us. नहीं बोलते गले बोलबो पैर तो आज के जाता होएगा चे तो वो छाड़ो ना उठबो तो ऊपर ही. Can see, brother Mujib. When you are on this kind of places, always mind your head. To be honest, feeling tired, but finally we did it. Not did it, still more. Be with me. Feeling relaxed, as I know I'm almost done now. Here, this side, I am done. Friends, we are finally back to our camp. It took almost 2 hours for us and it was a really very hard one. So friends, we came from that down. As you can see, we are on the top now. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed